Now also one thing to consider, let's give some free education right here. One thing to consider is that today is Tuesday. Now Tuesday has some probabilities, it's not like every time, but Tuesday has higher probabilities of having the low of the week compared to other days. So, for example, let's see here. So Tuesday, right here of last week, created the low of the week, which was actually taken on Friday, but almost after creating the low of the week on Tuesday, we never came back for a couple days. For 3 days, we never came back below this low. Let's see if there is some more confidence right here. It's not every time, as I said, but it's pretty accurate. Sometimes there is higher probability of this happening. Right here, Monday, Tuesday, high of the week, and then the whole week is bearish, okay? So Tuesday has a high probability of creating either the high or the low of the week. Now here for EURUSD, since we analyzed the range, and we are bullish in this range so far, I would like it to see to grab this liquidity fuels the market, and if this liquidity is taken, whether this one or this one, and we have a nice confirmation, I will look to get the low of the week. Not that I care about holding the whole week, but we have higher probabilities of getting a nice restored ratio, since if we get either this liquidity or this liquidity and then we continue to the upside, we have chances of going all the way up here, maybe having a nice entry with a tight stop loss right here, all the way to this take profit. Which exchange I use on TradingView? FXCM, usually. For JR30, you mean? I don't know. This one? Please check GU short 1 hour time frame. I already covered GU. I'm not interested at all in GU. If you see shorts, I'm happy for you. I hope you catch it and I hope you make a lot of money. To me, according to my strategy, I'm not interested. Maybe you're right according to your strategy. Depends what you trade, how you trade. JR30 can also be JR40 in some brokers. And here, for example, NZD-CAD, overall I see NZD-CAD as bearish, I believe, if I remember. Yes, overall I see, going crazy right here, a lot of explanation to do for students. I see NZD-CAD bearish, you can see on the 4 hours, we are in a bearish trend for now. And what else? Going on the 1 hour, we might create the high of the week in this case. If I see it as bearish, we will look for the high of the week. Now the high of the week, let's go on lower time frames, on the 15 minutes. Perfect. The high of the week, I would like it to see created today. So today create the high of the week, possibly taking this liquidity and maybe even higher liquidity, maybe even this liquidity and this liquidity. But for now, I'm just interested in seeing this liquidity right here taken, and then looking for the high of the week, shorting the whole week right after. All right. Let's see if this plays out. Let's see if you have the confirmation to actually take this. I will put an alert here. If you check it out, if you actually pay attention to my chart, I never mark many supply or demand areas. I mark out liquidity. Liquidity is all that matters. I mark out supply and demand areas just for entry. Same. EURGP, we might have some confluences into having the low of the week in order to continue higher during this week, possibly targeting this imbalance. Nope, wait. Perfect. If you can't see liquidity, you are liquidity, right? Exactly. It's just that I believe that we view liquidity in a certain way with the Excel group. And I wanted to ask in the chat right here, you better comment, not here on the live chat, but you better comment under the video, because next week I will run a giveaway and I will select through all the comments. Through all the comments, I will select the best comments, or maybe I will just run a random giveaway through the comments. I will check on my live. I will check on all my lives and I will check the comments, and I will select, you know, 1 or 2 people and give them maybe free funding challenge. So up to you. Let me update the members right here. So I will send the charts to my members. And then of course I update them. It's just for now to send an update and tell them what we're looking for. What is this stuff right here? Why did I put this?
Boy, rich nigga with an appetite. Count money all night under the candlelight. Spinning vinyl, Teddy P.S. and Lionel. Not a model, but I know I be your idol. Big Mac bugging we without a lighter. On fire, cause I'm just a different writer. Practice the social distance with all these bitch niggas. Guess he jealous cause I had his favorite bitch with a big buck. Stepping out in big truck. Stepping on my feet and get you fucked up. Got the squad with me and all they did was give me love. Foot locker 20 deep, a nigga spinning dub. Wagon for my bitch, I go live it up. Yeah, bro, this for these niggas, I'ma hit them up. Machiavelli is all eyes on me. Pinky rings is still them most.
Your USD need confirmation for sure. It's gonna be interesting. And then we have, I would say today, very interesting, EuroGP, Euro USD, and also NZD-CAD is really on the watch list. NZD-CAD really on the watch list.
Yeah. Heart just turned purple. Big PC up front, it all comes full circle. Class photograph, Sandy heavy on my Urkel.
And you better comment under the live trading videos, not on the live chat, but actually on the comments, because I'm gonna run some giveaways of free funding challenges for you guys. So I will select from over there, so go check it out.